To change the password on your Pro-vue NVR, click on the icon in the lower left-hand corner and select Setup. You'll need to log in first with the current password set on the NVR. Once the menu is up, under the System category, click where it says Multi-user. On this screen, you can add new users or you can edit existing ones. So for the admin account, click on the icon under User Edit. On this screen, you can change the password or the username. You'll have to type in the password once and then again to confirm it. The option for password enable is set to enable by default. If that's changed to disable, you'll need to log in one time, and as long as the unit isn't turned off or manually logged out of, then that password will stay logged in, that account will stay logged in. At the bottom there's an option for an unlock pattern. If that's enabled, an option will appear to the right of that to draw that pattern, and you can use this pattern to unlock it instead of the password. Once these settings are changed, you'll need to input the current password to make that change. Once that's done, then the password will be updated and you can use the new password.